view. So quickly I want to show you the trades, or the trades I've taken on this account and the results so far in the last 1.5 months, right? So the title of this video says make 10% every month. Okay, so but I was able to make more than 100% of my account in a month. Okay, a month and some days. Okay, but I'm not saying that you as a starter, like you that is just beginning, should aim for 100%. Okay, I'm not saying that eventually you get there. Okay, you'll get there, but I'm saying 10%, right? Between 1% to 10% every month. Now, a lot of people think that forex trading is a get rich quick scheme. It is not. Okay, it is not. So it's not something that you want to do and you want to make money very fast, right? That is the most misconception about trading. Okay, so trading is a business, and you have to treat it like a business, not something that you want to become rich overnight. So I teach patience, right? I teach patience. I teach getting making profit little by little. I teach, if you can make $5 today, tomorrow make $5, next tomorrow make $3, like that, like making little progress at a time, right? So that when at the end of the month or at the end of the week, you'll be amazed. You'll be amazed at the cumulative profit that you have gathered during the week. Okay, so I also believe the word of God is truth, right? The word of God is truth, because the Bible said in Proverbs 13 verse 11, if you go read Proverbs 13 verse 11, it said if you are quick, to make profit, to make money or profit, that you will not be rich for long. But he that is patient, and I'm paraphrasing, you can go and study it. He said, he that is patient and gather little by little will be rich for long, right? So don't come to this industry thinking that you want to make money fast because it's forex, because you are seeing other people making profit in this industry, buying big houses and big cars. Okay, I'm not saying that most of them are not making money. Okay, few of them are making money. Actually, few of them are making money. But you are just starting, you want to profit from the market. You want to gather or make profit from the market. Why not take it little by little, right? Acquire it little by little. Build first consistency, your character. Build that character or nature of consistency in you, that if I can make $10 today, tomorrow make $15. Even if I didn't see any trade again this week, I will be okay and be satisfied with the I'll be satisfied with the $10 and the $15 I've made, which is $25 for the week. Okay, so I actually preach taking little profit one step at a time, and at the end you will see the result that you get at the end of the month. So this is the same account, right? As you can see, this is the same account we have been trading, and for the past 1 month, and let's say 1 month and a week, look at what we have gotten. So the profit was 614 and the deposit 500, as you know. Okay, if you check when we started trading this account, you'll see it on this page, right? you see it on the page. So the withdrawal so far was minus 493. As you can see, the swap and commission is crazy, man. But I'm not here for the swap and commission for now. But so the profit, right? The profit 614. So I was able to withdraw at least 100% of my account. So I'm starting again with the with 500, right? So I've continued trading this account, and we'll see, right? So if you want to learn how to do this, you want to take trading as a business, you want to make consistent profit without actually losing your money, you want to make between 1% to 10% every month, okay, easily, reach out to me, right? So reach out to me if you want to learn how to trade, okay? And I also accept partnership, right? So if you want to partner with me, okay, I'm not saying I have made so much money, okay, I'm looking for sponsors, right? So if you want to partner with me, I'm open for any form of partnership, and let's see how we can do business together, okay? Okay, that is it, right? That is it. All right, so I will talk to you guys later. So lastly, I want to thank every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I am so grateful. So if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe to the channel. So I love you.